Hopefully you saw it. If you didn't, go back into last week and I gave you some information about the test, class averages, and really I want you to look at how the journal affected grades and those people that worked on the journal and completed the journal, those people who did some of the journal, and those people that chose not to do the journal. And there was a correlation between the scores that people got within each class and then also between the two classes with regards to the journal. It's an important exercise with helping you to wrap your head around the process that goes into solving these problems. This week, we're going to build on what we did last week with addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now you're going to look at multiplication and division of polynomials. The multiplication, in my experience, is something that you're familiar with. You all remember FOIL and the importance of FOIL. We're going to expand on that and use the distributive property to multiply a binomial times a trinomial, or two trinomials. And I give you three examples of how you might go about doing this. The brute force method, the vertical method, and the box method. It doesn't matter to me which one you choose to work with. I just want you to try them all and see which one you're most comfortable with and which one gets you the right answer, and then choose to use that one. In the end, the only thing that matters is that you're getting the right answer. As far as the special products go, it's important for you to have an understanding of where these things come from. And it's important for you to understand how FOIL works, because that will become the basis for how we factor in Chapter 5. For division of polynomials, this is probably the hardest thing that you're going to do this week. And if you leave it until Sunday at 6 o'clock, you are not going to have time to understand the concept before the homework is due. I really, really, really encourage you to go in and watch the videos that I gave you with division of polynomials. The division section breaks down into two different subsections. One is dividing a polynomial by a monomial, and this part you understand. You've seen it. This is going to turn out to be using the rules of exponents to simplify things. When you start getting into the division of a polynomial by a binomial, though, now we're looking at long division. And the long division is really hard for me to explain in a PDF. And so I gave you 3 different videos for you to watch of me going through the process of dividing polynomials. Go in, watch them, look at them, and then I wrote out the steps for you here so that you could kind of wrap your head around what it is that I'm doing. And then there are 4 examples for you to look at and work on. And then the solutions of those examples that tell you exactly what the answers look like and how to go about doing it. I will tell you there are times when you need to add a placeholder, and that's an important step that a lot of people miss. Particularly if you're trying to get my math lab to teach you the concept. My math lab is a great way for you to rehearse and see whether you understand something, but it's not really good at teaching you the idea. If you have any questions or problems, send me an email. It's always possible for us to meet when I'm on campus. If I'm not on campus, it's easy for us to set up an online meeting and we can work on things there. Okay, give yourself time. The division of polynomials takes some time and can be complicated.